This video is for anybody who wants to slow down the aging process, increase vitality, serenity, and agility. My name is Yaron Meir, and last week I posted about the Ping Shuai exercises, the swing hand routine. After that post, I wanted to share this video that was sent to me by a friend of mine.
的体质听起来似乎是不可思议，但是有一位外科医师罹患了第3期的大肠癌，甩手3个月之后，癌细胞居然是不见了。简单的甩手运动真的能够对抗癌症吗？脑神经外科医师许达夫每天都练这种平甩功，甩手2000次，结果他居然在3个月之内甩掉了大肠癌，连他自己都觉得不可思议。开刀前，许达夫意外接触到平甩功。 他每天甩，连续甩了3个月。
我要开刀前检查的时候，我在这复检，我的肿瘤本来是5公分大，比苹果还大。可是我在复检的时候，这肿瘤完全消失掉了。同时他帮我做切片，也找不到这个癌细胞。所以我当时在当下我就决定说，我不想开刀。
There was a center in China that was opened from 1995 to 2001 called the Ming Center. It was opened by Dr. Ming, who was a Western doctor, but also a Qigong practitioner. He opened this center, and throughout those 16 years, he treated over 400,000 patients. 400,000 patients that came to that clinic for treatment for a variety of diseases, including terminally ill patients who had stage 4 cancer. Now, the hospital had a 95% success rate, and over 3,000 publications in scientific journals were published about it. One of the things that they used in their Qigong healing, because it was a Westernless medicine hospital, they didn't use any drugs or operations. The only thing they did was mindset, meditation, nutrition, vegetarian diet, Qigong practice to make the Qi flow in the body using this exercise, the swing hands, and 4, love. Love for the patients, for each other. They were sent in groups, and love of the healers that healed with Qigong and Qi to the patients. So feet are shoulder width apart, hands together, and they basically just swing 5 times, and on the 5th time, you bend down and you come up. Hands go at about 1 hertz every second, swinging like a pendulum. Don't go more than shoulder width height, so up to the shoulders. Backwards, you can swing as far as you can. Every 5th time, we go down and come up. Ping Shuai, Qigong, the swing hands, a great exercise. Share it with anybody who needs to heal, who's suffering from injury. I learned it from a friend, and I'm sharing it with you.